Hey guys, I'm Basil and this video is all about the Huawei Mate X2. It's such a stunning device. I wrote a piece in Wired UK about it, which I'll link to below, outlining the ways that Apple and Samsung should maybe steal some things from the Mate X2 hardware. Easily the best foldable hardware that I've ever seen. But there are also some things I want to focus on in this video, ways that it really stands out from the crowd. We can't go into it without acknowledging that Huawei really did lift a lot from Samsung here, but they made it better. It's going to start with the front display. It's gone from being a 25:9 display on the Z Fold 2 to a 21:9 display. From really narrow and quite unusable, it constantly forced me into the inside screen. Now, however, I was really comfortable just using the outer display. Same aspect ratio as awesome phones like the Sony Xperia 1, 5, 1, 2, 5, 2, etc. Really familiar with it, comfortable size, and it's great for movies. I watched Moana on it, no issues whatsoever. Also, they match the outer and inner screen 90 Hz, and they have a really nice natural color to them. Not punchy, not overly saturated, high quality OLEDs that just complement the whole phone beautifully. Also, on the subject of movies, the phone ships with a kickstand. If you saw my unboxing video, you'll have seen the kickstand is really great. The vegan leather finish plays beautifully against the high gloss polish of the phone's back. And the kickstand works really well for a foldable more than it would for a normal phone, because foldables really are all about that screen, a hands-free experience to enjoy that screen, whether it's folded, whether it's open. Absolutely winning. What's also amazing about the Mate X2 is it's the first foldable I've used which doesn't compromise on the cameras. You've got a 50 megapixel main sensor which has all the quality of the P40 Pro plus the Mate 40 Pro. And you've got a really nice wide angle with autofocus that does macro shots really nicely. Then there's also the zoom. 3x zoom and a 10x zoom as well, up to 240mm focal length equivalent. It's absolutely stunning, and what really does it, what makes it stunning, is real world use. I was moving house in the week with the phone and I did a cheers with my family and I just took a snap of it. I've got that picture now forever, and it's something that kind of makes me a bit emotional. But the Mate X2 made that possible by capturing it so beautifully. I also visited a friend and I got a picture of him, his wife and his baby, and it was just really sweet. It was dark outside, but I've got that picture now, and the phones you have really are important for times like this where people are just craving quality memories because they've been deprived of them for so long. And the Mate X2 really fed into that side of myself. The phone's also special in a few other ways. It supports faster charging than the competition. The Z Fold 2 I think charges at 25 watts. With a foldable you do tend to use the screen, the big screen, quite a bit, and it will deplete faster if you're doing more stuff with the big screen, so faster charging is really helpful. I will say I would have loved wireless charging on it. The Z Fold 2 has it. Huawei's been pioneering fast wireless charging for yonks, and it's nowhere to be seen on the Mate X2, so that's a bit of a shame. But aside from wireless charging, and of course no Google services, which are always going to be an issue, I absolutely loved my experience with the Mate X2, even down to EMUI. I quite like it. It really made multitasking across panes really usable. So yeah, this isn't quite a full review. I will probably post a full review video, but I just thought I'd link through to the Wired article, let you guys know how I was feeling about it, and also record a video with a little bit of me in it. I haven't done that for a while. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, click that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, read the Wired article below, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.